How to translate messages on Instagram. Open your Instagram app, tap on the message icon at the top, open the chat you want to translate the message. Here is the message. This message is written in French language. To translate it, tap and hold on it. Multiple options will appear. Select Show Translation. Your message will be translated in English. English is my Instagram app's default language. If your app language is Spanish, then it will translate it in Spanish. And that's it. This is how you can translate messages on Instagram.